Hello and welcome to Joy's Kitchen. Here I'm going to explain to you how I bake my bread. These are the ingredients and the liquid things I use for baking my scones bread. I have water, I have oil, I have yeast, I have salt, and I have my all-purpose flour. Now I'm pouring the oil into the water. I'm going to add the yeast to mix it together. Now I'm mixing it together. I'm pouring it in the flour, all-purpose flour. So in this process, I'm going to work on the dough. So I'm still on the process mixing the dough, working on it. Now I'm trying to work on the dough. So, so I've moved the dough from the bowl. So now I'm going to work over it. So I'm adding dry flour, all-purpose flour in the baking form so I can work on the dough. So I can knead the dough a little bit. So in this process, I've shared the flour into 8 pieces. So I've formed a round form bread. So I'm going to add a sunflower seeds because I want to bake a scone bread with sunflower seed. So my scone bread has baking, and this is the outcome of it. And